Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got an IBM Selectric. This happens to be a Selectric 3, and it's repeating and throwing dashes. And that can be where it goes right there. It just did twice. That can be a lot of different reasons. This particular reason on this particular machine is the latch itself, the cycle clutch latch, which is this gizmo right here. Let's see if I can get zoomed in here. So this little pivot here. Okay, let me back this camera off here and zoom in a little bit. Hard to see that. Hard to see that latch here. Okay, so this is the trigger right here, and when you press a key, this looks out of focus, but this little piece moves up like that, and it's slow. See how slow it moved right there? It should snap right back. That slow action right there, it's not going to let that latch back up. It should snap right back. And it's slow. It's got a slow movement. So the pivot is right. The rivet is right. Hinge point is right here. But this whole shaft kind of runs parallel to that, and the whole thing is lubed, and all I'm going to do is here is throw a little bit of lacquer thinner in there. I'm going to hold it and just manipulate it here. Let that lacquer thinner work in a little bit. Do a little bit more here. Like that. And I'm going to give it a shot of air. Like that. And put another little dose in there. Get that latch to free up here. There's a spring down here, but you never want to tighten that spring. It doesn't need to be tightened. The latch needs to be free. So it's pretty sticky. It didn't come around right away, but it's coming around now. Let me hit this thing with a little more air. Like that. So now, if we look at this little piece right there. So I'm going to hold this with my finger, and I'm going to flick it again like it did. And see how it snaps right back? Bing, bing. That is one of the reasons it causes dashes and repeating keys. I'm probably going to actually reflush that since it was so sticky. I might let it sit for a day and then come back and check every part again. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.